Hi, good day everyone. This is Alan. I'm a work from home dad. No, I'm a work from home dad. So this is one of my daily routine. Is to read Bible verse for the day. So it's not really always start of the day. It could be mid of the day or even evening. But I I really read verse just to inspire uh, my life and to be a blessing to other people. So let me share this Bible verse in Proverbs 24 verse 15 to 16, King James Version. Lay not wait, O wicked man, against the dwelling of the righteous. Spoil not his resting place. For a just man falleth 7 times and riseth up again, but the wicked shall fall into mischief. So, lalong kayo, no? It's so deep. So, let's try NIV version. It says, do not lurk like a thief near the house of the righteous. Do not plunder their dwelling place. Verse 16. For though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. But the wicked stumble when calamity strikes, no? No, sometimes, no, ay mga tao na they look for those people na kanang mga they think na mga 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 Diyos nun daw kuno, no? So nabo mo yung mga higala ng mga inana na galantaw sa mga Diyos nun ng mga higala, no? Na maghulat rag kanang mapandol, no, mapandol or makasala sa maingon na sila, sige kag simba-simba niya kasi mong nabuhat karon kasala magani ka. So nadyo mga inaan mga tao mga higala, no. But ingon ang verse na, for though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again. So nag-ingon ang Bible na righteous. So meaning they're try to do what is right morally and justifiable or doing good. So they are not perfect. So those righteous people, not just righteous, but kita tanan, we are prone of sin, no? Kita tanan, we are not perfect. So even mga kaning mga tao like prone man jud ta sa mga setbacks atong mga kinabuhi. Perhaps we fall because we commit sin, no. A simple lie is already a sin. So think of it, nandun na there are no small or big sin, they are the same. So lying and killing someone is the same. It's sin. In the eyes of God, they are the same. So, dili ta prone sa ana mga setback sa mga kinabuhi, no? Sometimes due to our mistake, and sometimes tungod sa mga circumstances sa itong mga kinabuhi, no? Ay mga butang na dili uyon sa tuwa, na mga butang na di nato gusto, ma-disappoint ta for some reason, no? So di man perfected, but as a believer, no, people will always, no, kanang galantaw sa mga katong mga community kasi simba ni mga, let's say, itong mga ginaingon nila mga nanapod ni mga born again, no? So galantaw na sila. They sometimes persecute those people who is doing right. Not just dili lang sa kanina mga reliyoso na tao, but namin mga ubang tao na dili reliyoso, but they want to do the right thing. They want to do what is morally right for them, and they are persecuted because of what they are doing, what is right for them and what is right for other people. No? So, ang good news is na katong sa mga tao na mga ato, ingon ang 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 8 to 9 na we may be persecuted but we are not abandoned. We may struck down but we are not destroyed. So no matter what, we all fall and experience life failures. Tinuod na kita tanan, we experience life failures. Ang importante is that we learn and ask God for wisdom and guidance not to fall for the same mistakes again. So, kaning ato ang mistake, kaning ato ang fall, we should learn from it and move on. So, sa among experience no, me and my wife, na may mga tao na among gisaligan, especially sa mga in terms of money, and then they fail us. Na-scam me, mga ina. But instead to fight back, or like magmaktol na lang me, or like 5 years ago, 4 years ago, imbis na amo na lang ng dalon, we choose to move on, no? So we learn from it. So if you choose to move on, no, you will grow, no? You will learn from it, from that experience. Dili ka stuck ato mga naagi. You need to let go. You need to learn to move on, no? So in falling, you need to learn to get up as much as possible, as fast as possible. Ingon sa verse na righteous may fall many times in verse 7, but still get back and keep going. Ingon gani siya na even if the righteous fall 7 times, still they rise up and get back. No? We don't fall 7 times, we fall 8 numerous times. But the thing is, how do we get back? Do we get back easily, or we just stop? So no matter what, we don't stop. We keep moving forward. So you need to rise up again and learn from that experience and hope it will never repeat again. So in contrast, the wicked, no, kaning mga tao na makasasala, when they are not aligned with God, if kaya naingon man in verse 3 na, but the wicked stumble when calamity strikes. So kaning mga tao na makasasala, kung maabot sa ilaha ang calamity, so dali na sila malugmo, dali na sila ma-down. So takabalo, mag-wild ba na sila og pila ka tuig, di ka move on. So let us not be a wicked. So like kinabuhi ni Job, like the life of Job. So you see, Job felt a lot of setback, a lot of downs in his life, but still choose to get up, choose to praise the Lord, and choose to trust the Lord. So brothers and sisters, God meant us to live a righteous. So we are not meant to live in defeat, in shame. So remember that God will fight for us and help us to get back. Remember, right? For though the righteous fall 7 times, they rise again if you walk with them. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy. God bless everyone.